Hello everyone. Now proceeding as per the video, now here you have to just make the braids like this, making it even more amazing and beautiful. You have to secure it in this manner and getting it done this way, this will just make it look awesome. Isn't it amazing? Now here you have to just look at the braids and now make it to the other side and then secure them together in this way. This is gonna look damn amazing. Now you have to secure it in this manner and getting it done beautifully in this way and then secure them up like this. Now here you have to again roll the hair further and get the braids made. This is gonna look lovely. Now here you have to roll your hair further, twisting them up in this manner and getting it done in this way. To make it look even more beautiful and amazing, you have to just secure it in this way and then take it to the other side, and with the help of beads you need to do it in this manner. Now here you have to just secure the hair, roll the partitions from the other side and then from both the sides to make it look even more beautiful and amazing. And then from the leftover hair, you have to make the patterns like this. Isn't it beautiful enough? Now here again you need to get the partitions, take it to the other side, roll them together and then secure it and pin them up beautifully in this way. Isn't it amazing? Now proceeding as per the video, now here you have to again roll the hair further. Isn't it beautiful enough? Now here you have to again roll the hair further and get the braids made. Till then, thank you so much for watching our videos and we'll be back with other exciting videos.